In this video, we're going to find the measure of an unknown angle given the measure of other angles in a triangle. All right, we know that the three angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, and we're given triangle DEF, and we're told that angle D equals 61 degrees, and let's see, angle E equals 103 degrees, and we're trying to find out what angle F is, and that's our unknown. All right, well, we know that the three angles together, like all triangles, add up to 180 degrees. So really, we're just going to be taking angle D, adding it to angle E, and then if we knew what angle F was, it would equal 180, or 180 degrees. So let's substitute what we do now, and we know that angle D is the same as 61 degrees, and angle E is the same as 103 degrees, and we are missing angle F. And the three together are 180 degrees. All right, and I don't really need to have my degree symbols here. I can put them in at the end. Probably it would be less confusing if I just didn't use them for now. That said, 61 plus 103 would equal 164, and plus the measure of angle F, that would equal 180. And I'm going to subtract, at this point, 164 from both sides, and I'm just going to slide this up. And I think it's pretty clear that the measure of angle F would be 16 degrees. And that's how we find the measure of the missing angle given the measure of two other angles. In this example, I'm asked to find the measure of angle F, and as you can see, this is triangle BPF, and I don't have any numbers, but what I do have is some expressions. I know that angle B is the same as x plus 5 degrees, angle P is the same as x minus 2 degrees, and angle F is x minus 3 degrees. And I know that the sum of the angles of a triangle are 180 degrees, so I know that if I add, angle B plus angle P plus angle F, that's going to equal 180 degrees. And that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to do a little substitution and put these terms together. So let's start. I will have x plus 5 plus, x minus 2 plus x minus 3. And that's going to equal 180. I'm leaving off my degrees, as you can see. All right, let's combine like terms, shall we? We have x, x, and x. So x plus x plus x is 3x. And then I would have to combine positive 5 minus 2 minus 3. So 5 plus negative 2, or just 5 minus 2. Adding a negative is the same as subtracting a positive. 5 plus minus 2, or negative 2, would be 3. And 3 plus negative 3, or 3 minus 3, would be 0. So really what happens is, I'll write it out so we're clear, it's plus 5 minus 2 minus 3. And as you can see, this would become 3x equals 180, right? Because we end up with 0 when we combine those like terms. So I'm going to slide down here. 3x equals 180. And of course, dividing both sides by 3, x equals 60. Now that's not our answer. Let's be perfectly clear. We're asked to find the measure of angle F, and I'm going to do that right over here. The measure of angle F equaled, right here, x minus 3 degrees. So now I have to substitute in 60 for this x, and the measure of angle F is going to equal 60 minus 3 degrees, and the measure of angle F, of course, equals 57 degrees. And that's how we find the measure, of the unknown angles of a triangle.